Well, today would be the perfect day to take the kiddos to a museum, especially in the afternoon. But maybe in the morning, you could head out and take them to the playground because it'll be perfect weather to get outside in the morning. It's going to be a little bit warm around noon, so definitely with those metals and plastics on the playground, be sure that you use your hand to make sure that it's not going to be too hot for your kiddos. And then around 5 p.m., definitely warming up. Maybe take them to a museum. That would be a good way to spend your Labor Day. All right, but today we are topping out in the 90s, 99 here in Tyler, starting to see the triple digits return to parts of East Texas. 106 in Canton, 104 in Mount Pleasant. Crockett, you guys are warming up to 100 as the high today. Tonight we're dropping down into the 70s for most of us. Tyler down to 78, Gilmer 74, and then Lufkin, you guys are dropping to 77 tonight. And we have some gusty winds that we have to worry about today. Those are coming out of the south, staying around 15-mile-per-hour gusts this morning, but they are ramping up as we get through the evening, closer to 20 miles per hour, and that is bringing in humidity from the Gulf. So right now, this is a look at our dew points. They aren't too bad right now. Right now, they're only in that 60s category, so we're feeling pretty humid, but throughout the rest of the day, that arrow is just going to go up, so we're going to be right there in the unpleasant category. So maybe pack on an extra layer of hairspray because it is going to be muggy. And that humidity is also going to kick up our feels like temperature for today. Around the peak heat of the day when we're 99 in Tyler, we're going to feel 103. That is a big temperature difference. So be sure that you're packing plenty of water and taking care of yourself in this high heat. But the humidity is also bringing us a chance of rain today. In the afternoon, we'll start to see some showers pop up over deeper East Texas. The bulk of it is out toward Carthage and near Jacksonville, and that's going to stick with us for several hours. The bulk of the storm starting to move up to the northeast. By the time we get to the early parts of this evening, the worst of the storm is going to move out of here, but we'll just have a couple of small pop-ups that are hanging around, dropping a little bit of rain out toward Mineola, Tyler, and Palestine. By the time we get to tonight, it looks like it'll clear out again. All right, well, that's going to stick with us tomorrow, seeing a 40% chance of rain on Monday, dropping down to 20% on Tuesday, and then we are staying dry for pretty much the rest of the week. That's because we have a low pressure system that's pumping up our rain chances today, and as that clears out, we have high pressure coming in and taking hold of our weather pattern. That's going to keep our rain chances out of the forecast. It's also going to pump up our temperature. So 99 is the high today and tomorrow. Then high pressure moves in on Wednesday, taking us up to 101 degrees, and then we're sticking with 103 for the next several days. But let's take our eyes to the tropics real fast. Over in the Gulf, it's very clear. We're not seeing any tropical development. So if you're heading out there for Labor Day weekend, perfect day to get outside, but watch out for a couple of stray showers that might happen in the Houston area. But if we take a look at the Atlantic, there's a cell that we're tracking, this red X. There's about a 60% chance it becomes a tropical storm or a hurricane in the next 48 hours. Over the next 7 days, about a 90% chance. So we'll keep you updated on that. That won't impact the Gulf, but there's a chance that could impact parts of the East Coast. But here in Tyler, we are staying dry this morning and then about a 40% chance of rain this evening, 99 today, and then we are back into the oven in the triple digits starting on Wednesday.
Not what we want to hear this